Oh, well, this is a very good place. I just want to know where I am, though. Aside from the place I'm already at. This doesn't look like the place I was in anymore. Huh? Oh, my dear. Hello there. Whoa. And who are you? I am the good fairy. Well, Meowsville. It is a big ville. Wow, you're pretty for a princess. Thank you. Have you seen a witch around? No? Oh, good. What happened? See? That little green book over there? I don't know if you see it. Oh, my book? Yes, that very book. It stopped the witch from pestering us. Yeah. The witch was pestering us from earlier and we didn't like it. Who's the witch? Oh, you mean Merwitch? Oh, you don't want to mess with her. She's my arch enemy. Ugh, we've had such a rivalry since. But it's good that you're here now, safe and sound. Safe and sound? True, but the problem is, well, I'm not home anymore. And I really want to be. Oh, is that all you really want? You don't prefer here where it's beautiful? Oh, yes, this place does look more beautiful than where I live. Where do you live? Well, it's kind of dark and gloomy. My sister calls it the Great Depression of the modern era. Ugh, it's so gray there, I don't know if we'll ever get any sunshine. However, I did bring this little flower with me. It's drooping. It's in my pocket. But, yeah, I do need help. Don't worry, dear. With help from the princess and munchkins, we can all help out. Can we, munchkins? Oh, yeah.